Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are having the high impact news at 6 p.m., 7:15 p.m., and 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around these timings since this could be a high spread and high volatile timings. So now let's move to the charts. What do we have in our chart is this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and as usual I'll be explaining it. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from the strong low but couldn't break the high. Rather, we broke below the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this level over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. Currently, we are into a sideways zone in the monthly levels, so nothing is pretty much clear. So let's move to the weeklies. Now, this is the weekly chart, and what do we have here is that the price is having this strong leg over here, which is unmitigated by the market and also had swept the previous candle's low. This could be a strong zone of reaction if price is going to react from certain area over here. But currently, what we need to observe is the price had swept the low of this weekly candle and moving into the upside direction. Currently, we are having this strong zone from where we can see a possible reaction into the market. So still, there is nothing much clear. Let's move to the dailies. This is the daily chart, and I'll be removing it from the... Okay, yeah. So this is the daily chart, and what do we have here is we reacted from this wick of the candle and moved into the upside direction. Currently, it may seem illogical, but in the smaller time frames, it is logical. So what do we have here is we are having accumulated equal highs at this zone, and the price is moving into the upside direction. So most likely, I'm anticipating the price to take these equal highs. So for a detailed picture, let's move to the 4 hours. Yeah, this is the 4-hour chart, and what do we have here is that the price reacted from this zone and moved into the upside direction. Currently, what do we have here is the price reacted from this order block respecting this FVG and moved into the upside direction. And I'm anticipating the price to at least mitigate this zone and form an order flow. So for a detailed picture, for a more detailed picture actually, let's move to the 1 hours. So this is the 1 hour chart, and this was the unmitigated candle I had discussed about in my previous video. So the price moved from here, and yeah, people made money. So what do we have here is we are having this unmitigated order flow. So I'm anticipating the price to move into this zone and then move into the upside direction if we are going to. Either way, if we are not, then we are going to take this low, and this will be the reason for the overall domino to fall. So what we are having currently is we are having this zone. This is the higher time frames FVG, and this is the smaller time frame FVG, which is in respect with the particular FVG, that is, we can say confluence. And we are having a reason for the price to move into the downward direction. So if we are going to sweep the sessions, most likely we are going to move into the downward direction. So let's move to the 15 minutes for the detailed picture. So what do we have here is the price is having equal lows accumulated right below the Asia session. So I'm anticipating the price to move below the Asia session, respect this area, and then move into the upside direction. So currently my bias is the Asia session could be swept by the market into the London session, and then we are going to tap this area of the higher time frames order flow and then move into the upside direction. So this is pretty much it. Now let's move to the questions round. And what do we have in our questions today? That what does the term leverage mean in the forex trading? The first uh, option is the amount of money a trader has in their trading account. Second, the ability to control a large position with a relatively small amount of capital. And the third one is the interest rate charged by broker for holding a position overnight. So write down in the comments, and whoever will be putting the detailed explanation of it or the right option, I'll try to pin their comments and give them a heart. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.